Are we there yet?
No, Peter.
Are we close?
A little closer than before.
How much closer?
Peter.
Okay.
There it is, the forest.
Finally.
It is so big.
And so green. I can smell the trees.
That is nature, Peter.
I like it.
This is our spot.
Right here?
Right here.
It is perfect.
There is a river.
And trees.
And no TV.
That is the point, Peter.
I know.
Okay, let's set up the tent.
I can help.
Good. We need everyone.
How hard can it be?
Famous last words, Peter.
What does that mean?
It means it will be hard.
This is the tent.
It is very flat.
It will not stay flat.
How does it work?
There are instructions.
Dad, you never read instructions.
I read instructions.
Mom, does Dad read instructions?
Sometimes.
Okay, pole A goes here.
Which one is pole A?
The long one.
They are all long.
This one, I think.
You think?
I am sure.
Dad, the tent is moving.
I see that.
It is falling.
I see that too.
Should we read the instructions?
Yes, we should read the instructions.
Anna, hold this side.
Got it.
Peter, hold that corner.
Which corner?
That one. The blue one.
They are all blue.
Peter.
Okay, this one.
Push the pole up.
It is up.
Now the other one.
Got it.
And clip it here.
And here.
Oh,
It worked.
it actually worked.
Of course it worked.
Dad, you look surprised.
I am not surprised.
You are a little surprised.
The tent is up.
We did it.
Now what?
Now we make a fire.
And cook dinner.
And eat outside.
Under the trees. This is the best day. I am hungry.
You are always hungry.
I know. What are we cooking?
Sausages.
And potatoes.
And something green.
I don't want something green.
Peter.
Okay, a little green.
Dad, the fire is not starting.
It needs dry wood.
This wood looks dry.
It is a little wet.
A little?
From the rain yesterday.
When was there rain?
Before we came.
Oh.
Try this piece.
That is better.
And this one? Oh, there it is.
A real fire.
We made a real fire.
In a forest.
This is amazing.
It really is.
The sausages smell amazing.
Everything smells better outside.
Even the green things?
Even the green things.
Maybe.
Look at the sky.
It is getting dark.
And the stars are coming out.
I can see so many.
In the city, we cannot see them.
Too many lights.
But here we can see everything.
That one is very bright.
That is not a star.
What is it?
A planet? Maybe Jupiter?
Jupiter is a planet.
Yes, Peter, we know.
I am just saying.
Time for sleep.
Already?
It is late.
But the stars.
They will be there tomorrow.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay. Good night, stars. Anna, are you asleep?
No, are you?
No.
What is that sound?
Which sound?
That one, outside.
Oh, that sound.
What is it?
I don't know.
Peter,
Yes?
do not wake Mom and Dad.
I was not going to. Okay, maybe a little. Mom,
Peter. It is the middle of the night.
there is a sound outside.
It is just the forest.
But what is in the forest?
Animals.
What kind of animals?
Good animals.
Are there bad animals?
Peter, go to sleep.
Dad,
Yes, Peter.
the sound is getting closer.
I hear it.
What is it?
Let me look.
Be careful.
I will be careful. Come and look. All of you.
Is it safe?
Yes, very safe and very small.
Oh,
What is it?
A hedgehog.
A real hedgehog.
Right here at our tent?
he is looking for food.
Maybe he smells the sausages.
Smart hedgehog.
Can we keep him?
Peter,
Just asking.
he lives here. This is his forest.
We are the visitors.
Oh, that is true.
We are in his home.
Yes.
Sorry, hedgehog. Good night, little hedgehog. Good morning.
Is it morning already?
Listen.
The birds,
So many birds.
all singing at once.
I have never heard that before.
Me neither.
It is beautiful.
Are you happy we came?
Yes.
Even the tent?
Even the tent.
Even the wet wood?
Even the wet wood.
Even the green vegetables?
Do not push it, Mom.
This is what camping is.
Not perfect.
But real.
The fire.
The stars.
The hedgehog.
And the birds in the morning.
I want to come back.
Already?
Yes, next weekend.
Let's survive this one first.
Some things are hard at first.
Like the tent
And the fire.
and sleeping with forest sounds.
But hard things are worth it.
That is true.
Very true.
Can we have sausages for breakfast?
Peter,
Just asking.
yes, we can have sausages.
This really is the best day.
Now, I have a question for you. What animal visited our tent last night?
I know.
Wait, let them answer first. If you know the answer, write it in the comments.
Just write the animal.
Yes, write it in the comments.
We would love to read your answer.
See you next time.
See you next time.